here you're linking with Wayne now. You finished playing the big song after King Bebo, right?
Yeah.
So after King Bebo, what was your next move musically?
The next move was just, Wayne Wonder was just the new sensation. Because Sanchez was out, Pinchers was out, you know. Wayne Wonder was the name that was buzzing. And because me and him so close, we just had the road.
Yeah.
We just had the road from studio to studio. Somebody will link him for a dance and a country, and me and him. You know? And then through Nada Rankin come from Dunkirk to, I saw the trio we start rolling up.
Okay, so originally the clique was you, Wayne, and Nada.
Nada Rankin
Was the original.
was the original crew. You know, so everywhere, I have a little bridging. See, in Clement, we call him Magnum. He used to have a ladder. And everywhere in Jamaica, the ladder they go. So from playing sound to just demongst Wayne Wonder, just demongst Wayne Wonder. We just have vibes and enjoy life because we're young.
Yeah.
You know, we're young.
Crazy. And were you guys going to studios, or this is more or less you guys are going to dance and stuff like?
Actually, we are hanging out at studio.
Okay. What studio were you guys hanging?
Because if you know have a link certain ways, the producer not really now got us come vice so. Right? But two we ended up a buzz, and you know, I remember Wayne Wonder did a song a song with what's his name? Singing Melody, you know. So amazing.
Yes.
The two of them did that song, you know.
I think that
I
was
think it
for
was a King
Tubbies.
Tubbies, you know.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
But when Sanchez sang the same song, Sanchez won't blow up. So that one did the kind of, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So we there enough studio, man. From King Tubbies, King Jammies. Well, I wouldn't even say King Jammies because we couldn't go in a Jammies studio. But we stand up out on the road. Because them time they Soldier and them man, them Bravo, and them a run gate.
Yeah.
And if you don't have name, you can't go in a studio.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? I went Pentos up on Slipe Road with a big gate. I just hang out and hope. It was hang out and hope.
Yeah. Okay, so you guys didn't get into Penthouse in these places easily. The only one that you guys really got into was King Tubbies.
King Tubbies. Well, we ain't got into King Tubbies. Right? And then when me and Wayne got there, him have certain respect already. So him show up with me, the respect is like automatic. So we just got through. You understand what I mean?
And keep it moving from there. All right, so then now, I know, how did all of this lead up to you guys recording your first song? Or was even the first song that you guys recorded, was that for Pick Out?
Yes.
Okay. Tell us about that journey, how that even came about in the first place.
To be honest with you, you know, we were just vibing. Like, me and Wayne used to just vibe. Because a lot of people don't know that Wayne Wonder's first album that he recorded, that album had I can't remember the amount of tracks, but at least 80% was all original songs. Because a lot of people think, say, yeah, he's the next sing-over artist, but back then in Jamaica, so you have to break in the business.
Yeah.
If you're a singer, if you can't sing one good cover version and get your foot in the door, right? So when he sang, you got a fast car and anything for you, did those songs for Pentos, Donovan Germain, right? He was a taxi label,
Yeah.
right? And the buzz and, you know, Pick Out wanted to meet him.
Yeah.
So, you know, linking up with Pick Out, and we used to go all the way out Pienland, so
Yeah.
Pien Avenue and Spanish Town Road. We used to sit down pan all them plaza, them out there to feel hoes. I wait pan producer now come, man. That's how we met people like Japanese and Baka B. You know, 'cause all them man they was in the Pick Out camp. You know, and
this is, we're talking about probably around 88,
yeah,
89.
Yeah, man, late 87, 88. You know, going into when Gilbert licked Jamaica. You understand what I mean? So, doing all them rounds, me and we take bus, we ride bicycle. We do have to do for reach at the studio. But writing songs and we I say, yeah, and the line, and we went to the studio one day. Pick Out was recording. He used to record at Channel 1. Right? And That day, me not lie to you. That day my eyes them wide. Cause me see the great Dan Gargan, the great Ninja Man walking and you know?
Yeah.
Me see the great Tinga Stewart step in and Pliers. This was before Shaka Demos and Pliers.
For sure.
You know, talking Pliers and I'm like, I look at me, I say, whoa, I see artists and I'm like, whoa. And them a record, because that was the day they record the big tune.
Okay, so basically all of what the big songs were recorded basically the same day.
That's how recording used to go on.
Yeah.
Producer just link arts and say session a go on, you know. And I really me have 10 spot. A man a Jackie for spot. Producer listen to your tune and say, boy, I'm not feel that one day, you know. Next man. You know, it was like an on the spot audition.
And it was down, and you guys recorded these songs over at Channel 1.
Over Channel 1. And it's so funny. We were the last artists them for record. Because we didn't want to have a buzz, name out their songs playing on the radio. But when you see people like Tinga Stewart walking in the studio, Japanese have a big name them time there. Pliers have big name them time there. You understand what I mean? So you have to wait. The man you have to do for them thing. So when the producer say, what you have, and we and say, you know, say, I'm a virgin have a little combination style. Well, him DJ, and we and say, no man, him rap. And the man say, rap? Yeah man, American rapping thing. No man, that never work in Jamaica, man. And him say, you know what? Let me hear. Oh, let me hear it so like. And them run the rhythm, and we just go around there and we and just start sing. And no matter what you do, girl, it's over now. You want me to make it up to you. And then me just come in and say, I don't need to brag, I don't need to boast, because you are the girl that I love the most. Producer say, stop. Rewind, come again. Yo. And that was it.
Yeah.
The next take was just one take, like, boom, done. We ain't trying to look at harmonies and that was it.
That was it. Crazy. Okay, why did you even decide to be a rapper opposed to like a DJ or even try singing? Why the rap?
You know, to be honest with you, me did love the DJ thing, like love DJ. But a Wayne Wonder. Wayne Wonder say, yo, me could try something different. Because nobody now do this in Jamaica. Shinehead was already out. But although Shinehead was in reggae music, he was an American-based reggae artist.
Got you.
You understand what I mean? So we and say, yo man, we could try this. And we rise and we say, yeah, but you know. And we just do it and, you know, give thanks and praise it work.
Crazy. And the crazy thing with even that song is I know it never came out as a single.
No.
It only came out on the album. But it's still one of the top 3 songs.
There was the top 3 songs on that album was Cover Me and Her Love Is Burning and then And No Matter What You Do.
Crazy.
The top 3 songs.
Yeah.
So every sound man, every person who has that record, they had to buy the album.
Yeah. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.